Hey everyone, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. So today I'm going to show you how to make a nice card using my this is the winged pop-up showstopper from Showstoppers 3 collection. I'm going to use it along with the Hobbies Galore stamp and die set, the new paper pad, the bold sentiment set, and also the wood grain embossing folder. So I've already gone ahead and cut everything. I'm just going to show you now how to put it all together. So in the die set, you will have your main plate. So you will need a large die cutting machine for this one because the width is 7 inches. Pass that through and it will then cut you this piece here. And the easiest way to pop it all out is if you fold it in half first of all, just give it a good burnish and then open it up. And then the top 2 sections and the bottom 2 sections you want to pop up so that the middle score line becomes a mountain. The only one that will stay as a valley is this middle section here. So if you lift them up, you can start to pinch the sides and just bring everything up like so, and then again lift it, pinch the middle, pinch the sides, just start bringing all of those sections up. And then once you've got them like that, you can fold it right over and give it a good burnish. Now this could be a fun pop-up that you can pop into a card and you could attach things to it. You might have some fun images that you can have so they look like they're on little steps. You might have plants, all sorts. I'm going to keep it this way. So once you've got that one, you've then got a choice of mats and layers. So for example, this card here, I just take this one off. So this is a double version, but you'll see on the sides here, I've got these kind of half mats, which is this section just cut down along here. So if you wanted to, you could have that on each side here, okay? This is a doubled version of that one, just doubled up. This one is on the Craft Stash YouTube channel. So that's using these mats and layers here. Like I said, just cut a portion down the side. Or you can use these mats and layers here. So these two will sit perfectly in this section and also on this side. And then all these mats and layers will cover the tops here, here, and in the middle, which is what I'm going to do. So I've cut all of those out. So I'm going to lie this back down so it's flat, it's easier to decorate. And I've decorated these 2 pieces already. So I've just done a little bit of masking with the icons from the Hobbies Galore set. And then I've stamped the sentiment, "Have a fab day." And then on the front, I've used the wood grain embossing folder. So I've just cut this piece to 4 3/4 by 6 3/4, popped it through my die machine to emboss it. A little strip of some of the scrap card there. And then again, the happy birthday sentiment, and then more of those icons and the stars just to tie it all together. And this is all going to sit inside a 5 by 7. If you want to, you can have it so that it closes like this, and that is how you pop it in the envelope. Again, that's just a double version, and you could decorate like so. But I'm going to show you what it looks like inside of a card as well. So just cut as many as you want. Some of the samples I've done, I haven't done a mat and a layer. I've just done the mats. You could leave them plain. You might have die cut this using pattern paper. So, you know, everybody's is going to look different. And the idea of these is, although I've launched it with this masculine collection, you can use this with anything you already have in your stash. But you'll see those ones all go along the bottom, and then I have the thicker ones there, and then I've embossed the smaller ones just to break up that pattern paper. And I've got 2 more for there, and then these either side. So I'm going to get all of that stuck down. Okay, so that's everything stuck down. You can really see that design now, and it stands really well. Whilst that's still drying, I'm going to stick this one onto the front of the card blank. Okay, again, that's just a nice card on its own. You can then write your message inside. Just another fun way to use just elements from the set. But this one here is now going to stick inside like so. So it's backed with the white card there. So if you fold it in half, and you just want to add your glue all on one side. You could put this into a bigger card as well if you wanted to. And so you've got a bigger border inside. This is a I've made this card blank. It's not shop bought, so this is cut from a piece of 10 by 7, and then I've scored at 5 inches. So pop this inside, and if you just line up the one side first, make sure that center score line is pushed right down. You'll see it all hides inside there. And then if you fold over this side, and then just close the card up. Again, pushing it right into the middle of the card, because you might find it pushes it out slightly because of the bulk. But if you just keep it pushed in there, it will hold itself. And just give that some time to dry. Okay, so again, there's the front. So everything now stuck down. I've also added some of my accent glaze on the icons there. And then inside, you've got that fun pop-up. So really, really cool style. I'm going to be sharing more tutorials in the future with like having a little something hanging here and having your sentiment in the middle. So yeah, keep an eye out for them. If you're over on Facebook, you can find me on Mixed Up Craft, and every Friday I do a made to surprise mix and match. So I mix old collections with new, and we just have fun for a couple of hours and create some nice cards. So head over there if you would like to catch those lives. All of this product is available on the Craft Stash website, so you can find all of that by clicking just here. If you're not subscribed, just click here, and that way you won't miss out on any future videos. And I'll have the playlist for my new Showstoppers 3, or maybe I'll have all of the Showstoppers, but that will be coming up now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.